morning, Ms. Maria. This is my report essay entitled "In Agriculture Application of Alkanes, Alcohol, and Ethers." There are significant roles in a modern agriculture offering a wide range of applications that contribute to the efficiency and sustainability of farming practices. There are compound in various agriculture processes, from the pest control to plant growth regulation and chemical formulation, showcasing their importance in enhanced agriculture productivity. Alkanes are organic compounds characterized by a triple bond between the carbon atoms. In agriculture. Alkanes are commonly used in production and insecticide and pesticide. Alcohol such as Inositol also have a diverse agriculture application. Inositol is utilized in the formulation of plant growth regulator, herbicides, and as a solvent for agriculture chemicals. And the ethers are another group or organic compound with the important agriculture application. Ethers are commonly used as solvents for agriculture chemicals and pesticides due to their ability to dissolve a wide range of compound effectively. They are they are also utilized in the formulation of herbicides and insecticides, enhancing the efficacy of this agricultural production. By by incorporating ethers in pesticide information, farmers can improve the target delivery as active ingredients, reducing waste and minimizing environment contamination. There are the important aspect of agriculture application of alkanes, alcohol, and ethers. There are rules in enhancing pest control and protection strategies. Their organic compounds offer valuable solution for farmers to manage pests effectively while minimizing the environmental impact of synthetic chemicals by utilizing alkanes, alcohol, and either insecticide, pesticide, and herbicide. Farmers can promote sustainable farming practices by reducing on harmful substance and improving the overall efficiency of agriculture practices. Their best properties make them essential component in modern agriculture, uh, contributing sustainable farming practices for a greener future.